Almost. Are you feeling the tingles? A little bit. They're coming up just a little bit. Okay. We're zeroing in and nope. Now just keep your eyes on me. Keep your eyes on me. Boop. It's booped my nose, but not yours. We're touching your eyebrows now. Can you feel it on your eyebrows? No, you can't. Come on, don't lie to me. And we're just going to do. And are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? No, I don't think you are. Keep focusing. Can you keep focusing on me? And boop. Good job.
Only 2% of people in the world can hear this sound, so let me know if you can hear it. You're special. Did you hear that? Okay, let's try it again. Can you hear that? If you can hear that, that means you have really good hearing. You have the hearing of a dog. Most people can't hear this sound, so go brag in the comments if you can hear this, because that means you're very special. I can't even hear it.
If I say your name in this TikTok, you owe me $5. Deal. Let's begin. Pedro, William, Rosa, Thomas, George, Young, Elizabeth, Sergey, Ram, Patricia, Hassan, Anita, Manuel, Victor, Sandra, Ming, City, Miguel, Emmanuel, Samuel, Ling, Charles, Sarah, Mario, Chow, Tatiana, Mark, Rita, Martin, Patrick, Natalia, King, Ahmad, Martha, Andrea, Sunita, Andrea, Christine, Irina, Laura, Linda, Marina, Carmen, Vladimir, Barbara, Angela, George, Roberto, Ivan, Alexander, Kian, Yun, Jesus, Susan, Sarah, Norn, Marianne, Dimitri, Eric, Zara, Fatima, Nancy, Musa, Omar, Jennifer, Gan.
I love some Bucks and Betsy Johnson shoes. Oh my god, bestie, did you do your makeup in the dark? I'm gonna get you a cleansing balm to get this stuff off your face. You need like a whole bunch. Just gonna bring a little life back to your face, you know. Hey bestie, do you happen to have any blush? Yeah, I like totally forgot to put on some today and it looked kind of like dead, so I was wondering if I could borrow your blush. You wait. I promise I'll give it back. Relax, bestie. Just a little more, a little more. Ooh, this color looks really good too. Oh, yeah.
this inappropriateness. Palette. Let's go with this. Just gonna give you whatever color I have, but keep still. Just dot that out that little bit. Put this onto your face. Got a little bit of foundation on the back of my hand. I'm just going to blend, buffing it out. Buffing it out. Translucent powder. We're going to do some blush now. And just buff this into your beautiful cheeks. Cheeks. I'm just going to do a little bit on the nose as well. A little tiny bit